Hello everyone, and welcome once again to this your channel. In case you don't know me, I'm Lynette, the person behind this wonderful project that I call GretaWings, and with this tutorial I want to teach you how to make these shoes for baby born. This shoes is about 8 centimeters. Is for baby born. I use Symphonia brand yarn. If you use other yarn, maybe the size will be different. But with Symphonia brand yarn is for baby born about 8 centimeters. Also, we already have a tutorial to make this on this channel. If you want to do it, in the description of this video you can find the link. For the shoes, I will use with this yarn 3.0 millimeters hook. Then, if you want to do it, let's start. We will start round 1 making the slip knot. And then 9 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now we will start in the second chain, taking the back loops, making 7 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. In the last chain we will make 5 single crochet together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now on this side we will make 7 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And now 1 increase in the chain number 9, in the chain number 9 that we made in the beginning. So 1 and 2 single crochet together in this chain. We already finished this round with 1 slip stitch, and then we have 21 points. On round 2, 1 chain, and in the same base we will start to do 8 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And now 3 increase. 1 increase, 2, and 3. 8 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now 2 increase. 1 and 2, and we will finish with 1 slip stitch in the first single crochet on this round, and we already finished with 26 points. On round 3, 1 chain, and in the same base we will start 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now 1 half double crochet, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3, 5 double crochet increase, This is the first one. 2, 3, 4, and 5. 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3, 1/2 double crochet, 6 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. To increase, 1 and 2, and 1 slip stitch in the first single crochet on this round, and we will finish this round with 33 points. On round 4, 1 chain, and in the same base we will start to do 10 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now to half double crochet. 1 and 2. Now 6 half double crochet increase. This is the first one. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. To half double crochet, 1 and 2, 10 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 3 half double crochet increase, 1, 2, and 3. 1 slip stitch in the first single crochet on this round, and we will finish this round with 42 points. On round 5, we will start with 1 chain, and in the same base we will start to do 42 single crochet, but this time taking the back loops only. So I'm already made 2, 3, 4, and we will continue doing single crochet taking the back loops only until the end of this round. And for the end, 1 slip stitch in the first single crochet on this round, and we will finish with 42 points. On round 6, 1 chain, and in the same base we will start to do 42 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and we will continue doing single crochet until we are 42. And for the end, 1 slip stitch in the first single crochet on this round, and we finish again with 42 points. On round 7, 1 chain, and in the same base we will start to do 10 single crochet. I'm already made 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now 1/2 double crochet decrease, 6 double crochet decrease, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1/2 double crochet decrease, And for the end, we will make 16 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and we will continue doing single crochet until we are 16 and finish this round. When you finish the 16 single crochet, we will make 1 slip stitch in the first single crochet on this round. We finish with 34 points. On round 8, 1 chain, and in the same base we will start to do 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1/2 double crochet decrease, 6 double crochet decrease again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1/2 double crochet decrease, and for the end we will make 12 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and we will continue doing single crochet until we made 12. And when you finish the 12 single crochet, we will make 1 slip stitch in the first single crochet on this round, and we will finish with 26 points. On round 9, we will start with 1 chain, and in the same base 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 4 double crochet decrease, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now 12 single crochet, 1, 2, and we will continue doing single crochet until we make 12. When you finish the 12 single crochet, we will make 1 slip stitch in the first single crochet on this round, and we will finish with 22 points. On round 10, we will start with 1 chain, and in the same base making 22 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we will continue doing half double crochet until we are 22, and for the end 1 slip stitch in the first half double crochet. On round 11, we will start with 1 chain, and we will make 1/2 double crochet right. Pay close attention. Right, this is the half double crochet right, and the next one a half double crochet reverse, and we will repeat the same 11 times. 1/2 double crochet right and 1/2 double crochet reverse. Repeat the same until the end, and for the end we will make 1 slip stitch in the first half double crochet. And we already finished with 22 points again. Now you can cut the yarn, secure, and hide it. This is the result. Both shoes are the same. You will use the same pattern for both. I really love these shoes. They are very easy and quick to make. For baby born, remember, So I hope you like this tutorial, and if it's like that, please don't forget to give me your like and your comment. I really appreciate it, and that support this wonderful project. If you have any questions, I answer you as soon as possible. And if you haven't subscribed, I invite you to do it and activate the bell, and you receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this video to the end. Until next tutorial, bye bye.